going to see how to download Wondershare Filmora for free. So we're going to download it for free and use its full features for free. Yeah, it's full free. Yeah, you have to pay some money if you're just going to download, but if you see this video and follow all the instructions, you can do it for free. Yes, you can do it for free. Wondershare says it's the best video editing software. I kinda agree. It's the most suitable for beginners. It's very user friendly. It's very beginner friendly. Its user interface is very good. It's not as advanced as Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. It's not as advanced as Adobe software, but it's the best. It's the best for beginners. And yeah, I use it for all of my projects. So let's see how to download this. Okay. So first you have to do is here. You have to just go on the website filmora.wondershare.net. You have to download this one, Filmora. I'm showing it here. Filmora.wondershare.net. Then you will have a web page that's open up like this, and there will be a symbol here. This is a button here, free download. Yeah, I had to give free download. And when you click it, you will have something like this. You will have a file downloaded, something like this. Filmora ID, you see that thing. Yeah, you will have a file. You have setup file, and when you open it, you have to just set up it. Like normal all other software. You have to set it like normal other software. You have to set up it normal. Then after installing it, you may have something like this. You will have something like this. Yeah, you will have the Wondershare Filmora open up like this. Now, if you make a video here, you will have a watermark on the end of your videos, or you will have a watermark on your videos on the top of it, which is pretty annoying, and you won't want to have it when you are making some professional kind of video. So you have to change it. So you have to take the full version of this. You have to take the full control of the Filmora, and you have to get the full version of it. What you have to do is select offline. Yeah, offline activation. So the way you can get is, so on the top menu of this, you will get a help button here. Help button, the last button, of course. It's on my PC. I don't know what version you have, but of course it's gonna be on the top menu. So here you have this. Then on the third, not on the third. Yeah, it's on third on my. It will be different on other versions, but you of course have an offline activation sub menu in the help menu. Yeah, so you have to select the offline activation, and there will be and you have to enter a license email and registration code, which I have provided in the description below. So you can use that and enter the licensed email here. Enter the licensed email here. Enter the licensed email and the registration code. And after you have done that, it will be alright. And there's a very pretty important note to this is that you should turn off all your networks. You should turn off your internet connection. You have to turn off your Wi-Fi to the PC or laptop, so that this does not mess all up this. So if you do not have to turn on the network, you have to keep it turned off, then do it. If not, it will not work. Yes, it will not work. And the first time you do this may not work much well. It may work the first thing. You may make a video but when you open it the second time, it will not work. To me it happened, to you it may to happen. Don't worry. Do not worry. Just use the another one email registration code that I have also provided in the description, and try that, and it will work fine. I personally use this Wondershare Filmora for all of my video editing in all other channel, and this one too. It's very good. And if you like this video, if you found it good, if you found it interesting, just share it with your friends. Like it. Like the video, it's important. It's like the video. Share it, and subscribe the channel, guys. You can get very nice videos here. Yeah. So don't forget to subscribe, like it, like the video, share the video, and subscribe it. Bye. Bye.